Hi, what's up guys, Eric here from Eric and Myles, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take like astrophotography shots of stars and stuff. So first we're going to get into the settings. So what you want is your ISO to not be too high so you don't get noise in your shot, but also you want your shutter speed to be down really low. I'm going to have mine at like 30 seconds the first shot. With your f-stop, I like to have mine at f2.8 or lower. This lens only goes to f2.8, so that's what we're going to be working with. Now let's go out to the dock. So what I like to do is, this camera, the Sony's, they can have really good low light, so I'm gonna keep mine at about 3200. And I always put a 2-second timer on my shots just so I don't have any jiggle. Since this is a long exposure, it'll sense every single jiggle. And I'm just gonna turn mine sideways, 30 seconds, 2-second timer, 3200 ISO, f2.8, and don't move. The stars are pretty nice. You can like see the, but like you can like see the Milky Way even. Let me see if you can see on the camera. No, not a chance. Images processing. Oh, that's cool. You can like see the whole Milky Way. And then, alright, I'm gonna do one more with 6400 ISO. I'm just gonna tilt it out this way. 2-second timer, 6400 ISO this time. And the thing is going off. Got my camera sitting out there in the water. All right, so we're filming out there. The tripod's out in the middle of the water right now because of this tree. This tree branch is in the way if I want to stand on land. I figured since the Milky Way is more over that direction, I should get closer and get like a wider angle instead of out on the dock. I can't really angle up and get anything. Hey, turn off your lights real quick. Again, 30-second exposure, 6400 ISO. I tried with 3200 ISO a couple of shots, but everything just turns out better when I use 64. And yeah, it's like pushing the boundaries of the camera, but when in post, if I use noise reduction, you'll see almost no noise in the shots. The most you can get out of this Sony, this is the older one. Like photos wise. It's better than my A6300 though. You can only get like 3200 ISO. Alright, you wanna turn it off? It's weird, like the tiny amount of light in there with how long the exposure is, it makes the dock like yellow because of the yellow lights. Much more stars are here than like in Woodbury. Even at the lake home, the air light pollution is bad. Oh my gosh, this is gross. Look at that.
Do I have it? Frog looking. Oh bro, there's two.
Where?
There's one right there and one right there. Big one or small one?
So cool.
At a Clippers game on the court side. Watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see you? Go home ride.